Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam VR error 451. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your PC settings. You can find the settings icon in the start menu or search for it manually. Once the settings window is open, navigate to the system section. Next, click on display from the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the graphics settings option. Once inside, click on change default graphics settings. Here you'll see several advanced options related to GPU behavior. Look for an option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Sometimes this feature can conflict with Steam VR and cause the 451 error. To fix this, simply toggle Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling to the off position. After switching it off, make sure to restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, we'll move on to the next part of the fix. Open Steam, then go to your library. Locate Steam VR from your list of games or tools, right-click on it, and select Properties. A new window will appear. Click on the Betas tab. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to join or leave beta testing programs. Choose the option labeled None under Select the beta you would like to opt into. This will ensure that you're running the stable version of Steam VR instead of a beta version that might be causing the error. Once you've done that, close the Properties window and restart Steam. You should now find that the Steam VR error 451 is resolved, and that's it. So that is how you can fix Steam VR error 451. So that's all for this video. Thanks.